Welcome to my Fetching Art channel. You can make stickers at using a simple and views type using adhesive paper materials needed like sticker paper, printer, scissors. You can either draw your design by hand and use a computer to create point your sticker designs. If you are using a computer, print your design on adhesive paper. Use scissors to cut around the design, leaving a small border if you like. Once your design is ready, peel off the baking paper and apply the sticker to any surface. Design the sticker, draw or print your design on regular paper. Carefully cut around the design. This is the second method you can apply. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorial. Place a piece of clear tape over your design, making sure it covers the entire surface. Use a spoon to press out and down the tape properly. Soak in water and tape design in water for a few minutes to loosen the paper. Let it dry and you now have a homemade sticker. It can be applied to smooth surfaces. This is very amazing and clear method of making stickers. Wax paper and design to wax paper. Thanks for watching this video.